So today what we are going to talk about is how to figure out what the length of a side of a parallelogram is. So a property that we know about parallelograms is we know that the opposite sides are congruent to each other. So that means that side LK is congruent to side JM and side KJ is congruent to side LM. So if I have a problem that looks like this, where I am given some algebra expressions in order to be able to find the length of a side, what I need to do is say, well, since I know that this side is congruent to this other side, then I can set the two equal to each other. So I'm going to say that 6x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 6. And so then I just need to solve the equation for x, and then I will be able to plug that value in to find the length of the side. So the first thing I'm going to do to solve for x is I'm going to subtract a 4x from both sides of the equation. When I do that, I get 2x minus 2. The 4x's cancel, and I drop down a 6. My next step will be to get the x by itself, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides of the equation. I'll drop down my 2x. These 2's are going to cancel. 6 plus 2 gives me 8. And then my final step is to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So I get the x alone. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. So that means my value for x is 4. But this question isn't asking me to find the value of x. It's asking me to find the length of JM. So in order to do that, I'm going to look at my picture, and I see that JM is referring to this side right here that goes from J to M. So if I know that x is 4, I can plug that in place of the x in this expression. So I have 4 times 4 plus 6. So 4 times 4 gives me 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6 would be 22. So that means my actual answer, the length of JM, would be 22.